Okay, welcome to another video from Metal Scientist. Today I'm going to make a solution of boric acid. So, first of all, I'm going to take borax right here, pour it in this bucket. Okay, and then I've got muriatic acid. Don't try this at home. Using acid could be dangerous. I'm going to pour in some of this acid. Okay, let's mix it up. You need more than that. Probably used a little bit too much borax, so let's just use the rest of this. As you can see, it's reacting. It's because borax is basic. I believe the reaction that's taking place here, though, is more reaction probably with the water in the solution. So let's give that a good mix. Now, boric acid, I got to figure out what to do with this. I know that boric acid is used as a disinfectant, probably a more dilute solution of this. So, there you go. And since boric acid is not in itself considered a hazardous chemical, this can be disposed of down the drain, I believe. Now, of course, you would never want to dispose of muriatic acid down the drain. It could eat through your pipes, the metal part. This solution, muriatic acid, I think most of these ones you buy it, like I bought this at Walmart, only contain about 11% hydrochloric acid. To get more concentrated solution is pretty expensive. You have to go through a chemistry supply place, which is out of my price range right now. Okay, so there is my solution of boric acid, probably a pretty concentrated one. But I could dilute this. I'll probably dilute this further with water and figure out what else to do with it in the future. Okay, please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.